How to create portraits using pastel method. Come with me as we go into the tutorial. So having a portrait like this, first of all, I have the sketch of this portrait using the reference of this picture. So after sketching it, I start to apply the colors. Yeah, if you see this guy here, is a fair guy. So my choice of color using drawing like this, I do prefer yellow, orange, and a little brown to get this kind of skin tone. So after working on the face, getting out the resemblance and what I wanted, then I use white pencil to get the highlights. After using the white pencil to get the highlights, using another colored charcoal pencil, as you see this one here that I'm using, just to create small depths that are inside the mouth. As you can see, it's there. So to make the upper lips red but dark a little bit. So using those kind of features, try to get the little darker effect as you understand with me. If you have any problem, you can drop in the comment section. If there is something I know that I can still explain more. If you watch this video till here, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, help me share and comment for more. So that is that. So now you can see the face is out. Now I'm working on the clothes of this guy. If it's your first time coming across this channel, do well to subscribe and follow me for more art and tips. Here I teach and I explain how to create pastel or both pencil, charcoal, painting. If you are experienced artist or you are a beginner, with this little tips and tutorial can help you take your art to the next level. So we have come to the end of today's lesson. Hope you enjoy it. See you in our next video. Don't forget to share. Thank you. I'm out.